Although divergence can often provide a good signal for a reversal, as with the indicators, our advice is to use divergence only as a confirmation for entry into the position. Such situation we will show in the currency pair Euro-US dollar. If you remember, on this pair we have already spoken twice and displayed signals for short and said that on that same example we have another confirmation for short and it was the divergence on RSI. Now we will show that. The first signal was strong trend line, which is after the break became the resistant line. Another signal for short was the strongest Fibonacci level of 61.8. These two levels are located in the same area. And the third confirmation for short were divergence. We will now turn on the RSI indicator. As we can see, price made a higher peak compared to the previous on the graph. But the indicator shown a lower peak compared to the previous. It means that we have a bearish divergence and we can expect reversal or a drop in prices as it happened later on. This use of RSI indicator is absolutely reasonable and our advice is to always use this indicator as a confirmation regardless of which strategy you use. This combination of different instrument and indicators of technical analysis is the base for creating your own trading strategy and the essential precondition for success in trading.